like to appreciate the FCT ministers, but for your right-hand person, the Minister of State, who has been cooperating with Your Excellency very well on the various projects you've executed. We appreciate you greatly. We know you love the judiciary. The whole world is aware of what you did in the state, where you were the chief executive for the federal judiciary, for the state judiciary, judicial officers. And I knew that as soon as you got to the FCT, the federal judiciary is going to have it quite well. Thank you very much, the Honorable Minister of the FCT. On behalf of the judiciary, once again, Mr. Project, the Honorable Minister of the FCT, we thank you very much. We appreciate you for this that you are doing. You've just told the whole world that not only the Court of Appeal will benefit from your legacy, but also the heads of various courts and the other courts. And I understand you had mentioned it, that not even the apex court will be forgotten. That my brother justices of the Supreme Court are not here, but they said, no, I should pass it on to the Honorable Minister of the FCT, that we don't have any other place to go to other than the FCT. So we believe that your administration and the administration of your boss, the head of government, will not forget about the apex court in the legacy being given to the judiciary. We appreciate, Mr. President, and we, through the Honorable Attorney General and your good self of the FCT, convey our sincere appreciation and gratitude to Mr. President for all the things he has been doing and for the promises. We shall not disappoint. We shall not let you down. All the judiciary needs is to be left to function, to perform his role, unhindered. But as much as possible, like the president of the bar has said, once you take care of the judiciary, you've taken care of justice. And if you cry for peace anywhere in the world, without justice, there can be no peace. We guarantee peace. We promise to ensure that peace is given to whoever it is due, so that we can all enjoy peace. Justice is important, is imperative. We promise we will always give justice.